So then using the GIS, you're able to capture data from that imagery. We captured buildings for the census. We captured each building footprint. So we actually mapped each building on one set. Mm-hmm. And the enumerators had an easy task of following our numbering system. So we numbered each building so that nobody is missed. So each house was attended to based on our census maps.
Oh, so they take your
we demarcated it.
Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, so they follow the pattern. So each enumeration area is demarcated. So we broke up the island into sections called enumeration districts, or enumeration areas, and then we numbered each building based on a certain pattern. So if we're traversing the area left, we keep left all the way and number the buildings in and out, in and out. So the enumerators just follow the numbering and make sure that nobody is missed. And if it so happens that a building was erected after we flew and they observe it, they can actually draw on the map and add it in, giving it the last number and continue that way. So that was our little strategy to get everybody on the island counted, every building counted.